Moving on, Sridhar has written in on our website. Now he wants to know if it is a good idea to prepay the home loan for the rest of the tenure after 10 years of payment, and if he'll receive any tax benefits on the second home loan. So he wants to prepay a loan and take a second home loan.
Correct. So now, the second part of this question is pretty much similar to what we've already answered. So yes, you will get benefits on the second home loan that you take. But like you very rightly mentioned that, look at your overall financial situation. Just because you're getting tax benefit doesn't mean you should really go ahead and do this, because it's also going to affect your cash flow. And remember, the interest component that you're paying is actually extra money. You could, invest your money, have the principal and basically buy the home outright at some point of time, maybe in a few years down the line. But so you need to really be very careful of your calculation there. So just don't rush in because it's tax benefit. Now, having said that, what is happening is, can you prepay your loan? Of course, you can prepay your loan. But like we always say, why don't you try and absolutely not prepay your loan? Because now you're in the 10th year, 10 years is already over. So a large part of your principal is already repaid. I'm assuming that you have a 15 or a 20 year sort of a loan. But even in that scenario, if your extra money or this amount of money that you're thinking of making a prepayment with, if that is invested somewhere, wisely, which earns a higher rate of return, consider using profits from there to repay. Now, all this is again, subject to the fact that your income can accommodate to EMIs, because even if you make a prepayment, it still doesn't mean that you are going to be eligible for the next loan, or you're going to be in a situation to fund the cash flow, because ultimately it all depends on your cash flow. The bank will be happy to give it, saying that one loan has gone down and you're taking another loan from another side. So your net effect is the same. Maybe you could use this cash and actually use it for the down payment of your second loan. That's also a way of looking at things, and thereby you will have your second loan which will be much lower, which in turn makes your cash flow look even more stronger, and which means you can even invest from your cash flow and not your lump sum. So you have all these options available, and there are lots of options to go by. But generally speaking, I would think don't prepay, invest your money, use profits to prepay.
Use your profits to prepay, and those are among those questions that Kartik enjoys answering. In fact, like he keeps saying, and this is what we also say, it's best if you can build one asset alongside another asset, rather than break down one asset to build a second asset. Really doesn't make sense, and the tax benefits on the home loan doesn't hurt either.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.